Before we jump into the fun part, let's briefly talk about the packages we'll use. Launch Anaconda and ensure the correct environment is selected. Then check if the Jupyter Notebook application is installed. If not, press Install and wait for the process to finish. Then hit Launch and wait for it to load. Okay. Welcome to Jupyter Notebook. If you're unfamiliar with its interface and want to learn more about it, our colleague Martin created a dedicated course on Jupyter. Feel free to check it out. Jupyter Notebook is a web-based tool that allows you to write and run code in an interactive environment. It supports Python and lets you combine code, text, and visualizations in a single document. This makes it great for data analysis, research, and educational purposes. You can execute code in individual cells and see the results immediately, which helps you explore data and test ideas quickly. All right, let's import the relevant packages in the first cell from our notebook. Start with NumPy, a third-party package for working with multi-dimensional arrays. Import it as NP, which is the standard abbreviation convention. We'll also benefit from the matplotlib pyplot collection to create essential visualizations. Next, we'll need Librosa, a library for audio and music analysis and manipulation. We'll also use Librosa.display for visualizing audio data. Soundfile is used to read and write sound files. It supports various file formats and provides an easy interface for manipulating audio data. Next, we'll need Speech Recognition, the library for converting spoken language into written text. GWR comes next as a library for measuring word error rate and character error rate in speech recognition tasks. These are key evaluation metrics. We'll also use IPython, which provides a rich toolkit to help us make the most out of using Python interactively. It includes the IPython.display module for displaying media files like audio. Of course, we'll use the Whisper library extensively for advanced speech recognition and processing. We'll also need CSV for reading and writing CSV files, OS for interacting with the operating system, Temfile for creating temporary files, and Wave for reading and writing WAV files. Finally, add the GTTS class from the Google Text-to-Speech library, which converts text into spoken language. Let's execute this cell to import the relevant packages for speech recognition. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. See you soon.